lovies, welcome back to Just Missy. So I thought it'd be fun to share some of my weekly meal prep with you guys. This stuff is stuff that I pretty much eat regularly. It is fantastic if you are on the go, you need quick and easy meals, and you're trying to eat clean, stay on track with your weight loss, or just trying to maintain your health. And if you are dealing with any kind of stomach issues like GERDs or acid reflux. These meals are great and they last the whole week. They're super easy to prep, they're super easy to make, they're cheap on the wallet, and most importantly, they're delicious. So the first thing I start off with is my egg muffins, or for simpler terms, it's basically a crustless quiche, but they're super easy to make. And why not start it off with breakfast, because that usually is your first meal of the day, and as they say, your most important. So this one is high protein and low carb, which is fantastic. And my veggie of choice in this particular one happens to be spinach, but I have added peppers, mushrooms, any kind of veg you like will go great with this. Or if you just want to keep it simple and just do sausage and cheese, or ham and cheese, turkey sausage and cheese, however you want. There's a million variations of this, but today we're going to be doing Italian sausage, cheese, and spinach, of course with a little bit of seasoning, and they are fantastic. So the first thing you want to do, as you saw in the previous clip, is brown your sausage. You're going to put your eggs in a bowl. I used 6. Add my seasoning simply of salt and pepper. I add just a little bit of heavy whipping cream just so that the eggs are light and fluffy. I beat them until they are very, very got a lot of air incorporated in them, so they look really fluffy in the little mixing bowl there. And then you're going to be adding all of your goodies right to your mixing bowl before you pour them into your muffin tin. You want to spray your muffin tin pretty heavily with non-stick cooking spray. You are using eggs, they will stick. And I am using a large muffin tin. I feel that a large one is good because 1 or 2 of these are perfect for the morning. And believe it or not, I use an ice cream scoop because I believe it's like the perfect amount. It just, you put 1 scoop in, the eggs will puff up and get big. So when it's just like the perfect amount. It measures out perfect. So it's almost like all of your little egg muffins, or, breadless quiches are like the perfect size. So my recommendation, if you have an ice cream scoop and you don't mind using it for eggs, it's like it measures it perfect. Top with your favorite cheese. I used cheddar, and then pop them in the oven on 375 for 20 to 25 minutes until they are puffy, airy, and golden on top. They are hot and steamy and delicious. You put these in their little containers and you nuke them in the microwave for about a minute on the days that you want to eat them, and they taste like they're just fresh from the oven. A great way to start your morning. Low carb, high protein, and they're delicious. The next meal I'm going to share with you is my beef stir fry with brown rice. I featured this in another video and it was a huge hit, so I thought I would try it again. I'm going to start off with really good stew cubes, bright red, hardly any fat, and get them rendered in a pan with a little bit of oil, about a teaspoon, not much. And when they're almost finished, I'm going to remove them from a pan and set them aside in a bowl and add in my favorite vegetables, which right now at the moment happens to be fresh mushrooms and sugar snap peas. Oh, they're so delicious. And I'm going to get them sauteed till they just get a little bit of green, and put 1 cup of brown rice to 2 cups of water. And then I'm going to add back the meat as soon as I get that vibrant green, and I'm going to steam a bag of broccoli in my microwave and add it at the last moment. My seasonings for this is about a half a teaspoon of sesame oil, a full teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a full teaspoon of soy sauce. And it is amazing with your side of brown rice. Oh, this is better than takeout. This is delicious, and it is, again, it is low carb, high fiber, high protein, and it's a wonderful lunch or dinner that you can just pack away in your fridge or take with you on the go. It is delicious. The last meal I'm going to share with you is my garlic chicken and roasted veggies. So good. So the first thing we're going to start is putting, this is 5 pounds of chicken breast in my slow cooker or Instapot, and I'm going to be adding my favorite seasoning, which is just this simple seasoning of garlic and herbs. I got it from Aldi's. It is delicious. I'm going to add quite a bit in there because that's 5 pounds of chicken with some water, set it and forget it. And then in the meantime, I'm going to get my favorite vegetables all chopped up, which this time what I bought fresh from Aldi's happened to be mushrooms, carrots, asparagus, and zucchini. Oh, what a great combination. It is so good, and I love roasted carrots. Oh, they get so sweet and nutty. I love them. So I'm just going to get my vegetables all chopped up, put on a nice cookie tray. Again, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, about a half a teaspoon. You don't want too much because they are vegetables and they will absorb them, but you don't want them to burn or stick. And then I do very simple seasoning, which is just salt, pepper, and I added a little bit of oregano on them. And I put them in the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes, and oh man, they come out delicious. And then after my chicken cooks pretty much all day in the Instapot, it just shreds like nothing. I just shred that up, add the vegetables on the other side, put them in their container. If I'm going somewhere and I need to take this with me, I'll add a little pat of butter so that when I warm these up, they're not dry, but man, oh man, they are fantastic. You put them in your refrigerator and you have them for the week. These are like fail-proof. I mean, these are so simple. They're so delicious. Fantastic for easy lunches or dinners, and they are yummy. I think they will be a family pleaser. And feel free to like mix it up, use your favorite things, but all 3 of them will definitely be a great way to meal prep for any week and be easy on your gut, good on your body, and very healthy for you if you're trying to eat clean. So that's it for me today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed my easy meal preps that I do pretty much on a weekly basis. This is pretty much what I eat, and I still love them. I mix some flavors up in here and there, or mix vegetables up to keep it kind of fresh so I don't get bored. But man, oh man, the basis of this really gets me through any week. So thanks, guys. I really appreciate you popping in and watching my video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Missy. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope that you hit that subscribe button and stick around and become part of the Love You Tribe. We would love to have you. And please leave me a comment because I would love to say hello personally to you. Thanks so much for all my OGs. I love you. Thanks for having my back. Until next time, guys, stay creative, make good food, take care of what God has you. God bless, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, y'all.